Hi, my name is Nick Adams, Global Director for Alltech's mycotoxin management platform. I'd like to introduce my blog, Climate Change and Mycotoxins, Untangling a Complex Web. The blog starts with comments from FEFAC President Asbjørn Borsting in a December interview as he looked at challenges facing the feed industry in 2021 and beyond. Mycotoxin control was one of those, as he reflected on an increasing mycotoxin prevalence in grains in Europe and beyond, and also the fact that some of the control measures we currently have available will be removed as the landscape changes within Europe particularly. So if we pick up on a couple of key themes. First off, climate change. We can look at climate change through a number of angles. However, the net result of changing carbon dioxide levels, changing temperature, weather events, is that we often provide mold with increased opportunity to flourish and for mycotoxins to be produced. Secondly, Europe's Green Deal. Environmental sustainability is an increasing part of our daily business. As we try to capture more carbon through reduced tillage practices, as we look to use less chemicals in agriculture, we'll have to look to find ways to deal with the mold that will flourish as a consequence of that. Finally, mycotoxin remediation. There's lots of different steps that are currently being evaluated both pre and post-harvest to reduce mycotoxins in grains. None of those at this stage have the ability to be the silver bullet that deals with the problem, and so it's going to be a question of how we string some of those different steps together to give us the best results. So as we move forward, mycotoxin management will continue to be necessary, an important part within the feed industry to ensure that we can meet the regulatory guidelines around mycotoxin levels with this changing environmental landscape. It will also become increasingly important for producers to better understand their environmental sustainability credentials as part of this, and mycotoxins can affect it. In this regard, we'll be able to use existing published research to help demonstrate how feed additives such as mycosorbate plus can help offset the increased carbon footprint that comes as a result of feeding grains and feed naturally contaminated with mycotoxins. So it's truly a complex issue, and every producer will have to think about their individual situation and decide which combination of tools and technologies will best suit them in achieving their goals. As part of its Planet of Plenty mission, Alltech aims to work with all stakeholders in the chain to make sure that future generations and the environment is safe for people, animals, and the planet to thrive. Thank you.